Hello, and welcome back to the Stolenet. Today I'm going to be doing a video about how titrations work. A titration is a method used by chemists to find the concentration of an unknown subject. In the lab you're currently watching, we are trying to find the concentration or molarity of a sodium hydroxide solution. We can accomplish this by taking a measured value of KHP, which is a solid acid, and dissolving it in water along with an indicator. The indicator we use in this lab is called phenolphthalein. This tool you're seeing us attached right now is called a burette. This burette will hold our NaOH solution, and it allows us to pour the NaOH solution very slowly into the flask which holds our dissolved acid. The reason we are titrating the NaOH into the acid solution is because sodium hydroxide is basic, and when you mix a basic solution with an acidic solution, the two neutralize each other, and eventually the solution will no longer be acidic in the flask with the acid. With this change of acidity or pH, the indicator we've put in is going to change colors. Now once it changes colors, we can take the reading on the burette clamp and it'll tell us exactly how much NaOH solution we used. Since we know how much of the dissolved acid was in the solution, then we can calculate how much NaOH it would require to neutralize the acid completely. Then we can take the volume from the burette clamp once our solution changes color, and using that we can calculate the molarity of the NaOH solution. As you can see in this poorly framed video, we are adding some NaOH solution to the dissolved acid little by little by turning the stopcock of the burette. This stopcock allows us to control the flow of NaOH into the acid, so we can slow it down once we know we're getting close to the point of neutralization. Now let's watch a sped up clip of the same lab, but with a slightly better camera angle. Finally, that color change. Now why were we waiting for that color change? The color change occurs because the indicator that we put in, phenolphthalein, will only change color to pink when the solution is not acidic. Now when the solution is not acidic, that also means that the solid acid that we had dissolved has been completely neutralized by the NaOH solution. Therefore, when it turns pink, we know that the exact amount of NaOH solution we've added is the amount required to dissolve our given amount of KHP. Using the calculations I was talking about earlier, we can find the milliliters of NaOH solution used by reading the burette clamp and also knowing the exact amount of KHP solution and find the molarity of NaOH. That's all for this lab, and I'll see you next video.